Coach,
No.
how does that sound?
Ano pa rin, hindi pa rin sanay, pero masasanay din yan, unti-unti. I think yung experience na nakuha namin sa Batang Gilas, or nakuha ko sa Batang Gilas, it helped me a lot. No? It really helps me a lot, no? With regards with coaching. So, well, of course, gusto sana namin maganda yung naging result, but overall, the overall experience that we had, and especially sa akin as a coach, napakalaking bagay. So, unti-unti, I'm getting used to it, getting there, but a lot of things to work on pa.
Ano sa mo lang sa mga draft pick mo, yung Ken Andrada?
Well, yun yung mga players na talagang tiningnan namin before the draft. No? We invited them to join the draft. Even Gab Gomez, we invited them in the draft. Yukien, and actually some of the draftees. No? And yun yung feel kasi namin na yun yung possible talaga nahahabot sa amin. Diba? So, true enough. No? So, I think we're okay with our draft. Tingin namin magkakaroon siya ng impact sa team namin. But the thing is the schedule. He can play until the end of the NCAA season. So pagbalik niya may import na. So we'll see what we can do about it.
Kumusta yung adjustment niyo sa Magnolia? Siyempre yung coach, yung environment, kumusta naman so far?
So far okay naman kasi yun nga, kilala ko naman yung mga players sa Magnolia, kilala naman nila ako as a player, but again, it's different when you're a coach. But the good thing about Magnolia is they're willing to learn. They're committed, they're very hardworking, wala kang problema, and basically it's a good composition of a vet and mga veterano at saka mga young players, so, and they're the good thing about the team is they're hungry. They're really hungry to get to that level again. Medyo matagal-tagal na silang hindi nakakatikim eh. So I think kahit sinong coach ang mapapunta dito sa kanila, yun yung feel nila eh. Yung hunger. Diba? Yung willingness to go to the next level.
Coach Eli, yung San Miguel dati na naglaro ka, nag-Magnolia yung napangalan yun, diba? Tapos ngayon na yung coach may Magnolia na rin, ano naman yung
yun nga eh, bilog lang talaga ang mundo, diba? Iikot lang din talaga eh, maliit lang ang mundo ng basketball. And I'm just happy. And I'm just happy with the opportunity binigay sa akin. Daming pwedeng coaches na maging possible dito, but tayo binigyan ng pagkakataon. So I think there's a reason why. There's a purpose kung bakit ako nandito, and yun yung kailangan natin din pagtrabahuan. Siyempre binigay sa atin the opportunity na to. For me, I'm not gonna waste it. I'm still gonna be the same LA as a player, and being a competitive, with again, it's a weird feeling and it's a weird situation, but one thing I've learned playing for the Ginebra is really the never say die spirit, and not only in basketball but in life, but so siguro yun ang siguro may bibigay ko rin talaga sa team namin, it's a weird situation because that mantra is from Ginebra, diba? But in reality, in life, I mean, gano'n talaga eh, diba? You should not stop playing. You should be resilient all the time. Given the opportunity, you should not take anything for granted, diba? So yun ang and I'm excited. Again, I know it's a tough job to do, but overall, just like what I've said to the players, every day I'm excited. I'm excited to do something special with this team also. I did a lot of special teams with different teams. Even for the national team. no? I was part of the special team, no? And hopefully madala ko yun dito sa Magnolia, and I'm excited what's in store for us in the future.
Mas mapupura mo ba yung tinatawag ng fans na sa Magnolia na intro boys?
Well, again, hindi ko naman masasabi yan. But again, just like what I told the players, every day we just have to get better. Every day we just have to work, and we'll see what will happen. Diba? Isa rin sa mga natutunan ko is, winning is not everything. Manalo ka ng panalo, and then hindi mo rin makukuha yung goal mo. Hindi mo ma-achieve yung goal mo, diba? So you really just have to be patient, you really have to trust the process, especially me as a new coach to them, new system. We're taking it one day at a time, and I want them to realize that we don't need to win everything. We don't need to win every game. We just have to learn. Just have to get better, and let's see what will happen in the playoffs. Yun lang. Just have to be in the playoffs, and then we'll see what will happen. So yun lang ang goal namin.
Coach, hinihintay mo na ba yung Manila Classic mo?
Yun nga. Yes. Yes na hindi. Hindi ko alam kung ano magiging feeling. But again, in the end, it's just ordinary. It's just a game. It's just a game that I have to coach the team. And siyempre gusto ko habang Manila Classic, I want them to feel na, yes, we want to win, but we want to learn and get better after that game, whether we win or lose. We have to get something out of the games that we play. Yun ang plano ko sa team na to. Of course, we have a goal. Of course, gusto namin get over the hump, di ba? Medyo matagal-tagal na. Of course, that's the goal. Definitely that's the goal. But again, this is not a sprint. This is a marathon. So, unti-unti lang, one step at a time. Well, definitely, siya lang naman talaga. Well, marami ako naging coaches in the past. But, of course, yung mga successful stint ko sa career ko under kay Coach Tim. So, di natin maiiwasan na madala yung sistema na, not really the system, but the attitude towards the game, yung gustong gawin sa team, di ba? Kasi iba naman yung composition ng team ko sa composition namin with Coach Tim, di ba? So I just have to do the system or the culture na gusto ko ibigay sa team based dun sa tao na meron ako, sa composition ng team meron ako na player. So we'll see, but yeah, definitely probably I must say 70% or 60%. The system and how we approach the game, probably same thing as Coach.
Sa tingin mo ba malaking advantage na may style ni Coach Tim? Ever na makalit mo sila sa laban sa people?
Well, yun yung plano, na dahil may advantage na alam ko lahat ng ginagawa nila. But again, I'm sure mag-iiba yan dahil alam din nila na alam ko yun ang ginagawa nila, di ba? So we'll see what will happen. But again, I'm just excited to be in this position, and excited to work and be an inspiration pa rin sa mga players.
Coach, question lang. Since busy ka na sa Magnolia, ikaw pa rin ba yung sa'yo?
For now, yes. Kasi actually wala namang, so far sa schedule ng PBA, sa schedule ng Batang Gilas, wala namang magiging conflict. Kasi so far, but it will depend on the schedule of the PBA if they will change. But again, priority of course is PBA for now, kung season of PBA. But kung wala namang conflict, kasi I already started it and I just started it, diba? But again, wala tayong kasiguruduhan because of the schedules, diba? So we'll try to talk to the federation, to the SBB, and of course with the PBA also, schedule of the PBA. So yes.